We interrupt your program. Foreign civil emergency alert transmitted by the civil authorities in the United States. Several residents of the United States have heard of a very loud noise in their house, and one person died because of this noise. All residents are asked that if you hear the noise or knocking, call 911. Please get a battery-powered radio for further notice of these strange noises. This is an update from the strange noises keep happening. Police officers found out there was a creature on people's houses, but all residents are asked to take shelter immediately with food, water, medical supplies and a wireless radio. The creature is killing people fast, about 70 people and 5 officers. The creature is about 17 feet tall and 3 feet wide, skinny, and a large head. If you see this creature, call 911 immediately. Please stay tuned on in battery-powered radio.
Good evening, everyone. This is your weather radio channel. Right now we have cloudy nights. Then in 11:30 we are gonna have some rain and windy weather. We don't have any alerts. There's an upcoming emergency alert from the EAS civil authorities. This is an unknown emergency alert and should be very important.
This situation has gotten worse after a few minutes. This information is helpful to keep you away from this creature. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. It is now safe to leave. This is an all-clear signal. The creature has been taken away. All clear. I repeat, all clear. You can now leave. Thank God the people that lived from the U.S. civil authorities